So we're at this house in Suffolk and we've got some ceramic tiles to clean, external ones for paving areas and a patio area, and this is really what we've got at the moment. So it definitely needs a tidy up. We've got a few rust spots there. We've had rust spots on other parts of the patio. Now when we do ceramic tiles and clean them, we do things a little bit differently. We wouldn't dream of using a pressure washer on this because it can blow the grout out, no matter how careful you are, and if it haven't been laid 100%, the tiles will start lifting and it can chip the edges, especially being cut. So before we touch anything, what we do, we sweep and we vacuum this with our industrial vacuum cleaner. We pick all the bits of grit up, anything that's going to potentially scratch the tiles, and any muck that's going to make it mucky when we use our little scrubber. So instead of using a pressure washer, this is what we use. Basically we use an oscillating scrubber and we use a softwash solution.
Yeah, I'll just show you that everywhere here.
So if I'll just do you a quick demo. So you see this area here,
yeah,
it's really bad. Daniel just swings round low onto that patio area there.
This is a bit we've already done. And it's just drying at the moment.
So you can see the difference, and you can see there's algae there and there's all sorts. It just needs a tidy up basically.
It's going to be a really gentle cleaning process for this.
So if I just do a test slab, so to speak.
So this is the soft wash solution we're applying,
and normally
as John said.
For about 20 minutes. This is industrial chemical, not for domestic use.
This is just a quick example of how we would clean this area.
What we would do with a variety of pads we've got, from red, black, blue, green, we just literally gently scrub the area. You can see already it's so gentle with it, it's not going to damage anything, because what happens is Daniel comes in, when these tiles get cut, if the edges are not filed down with a tile file, they tend to chip, and sometimes what you get, if somebody's laid them, you get the edge coming in laid to another tile, and that can chip. So that's why we don't use a pressure washer. It takes a little bit longer and probably costs a few more pennies, but at the end of the day you get a nice clean patio without any damage. And you can see already this area here.
It's coming up.
And if I just turn that off and just get my squeegee.
As the difference is huge.
So you can see the difference without me even scraping that off.
Yeah, and we'll go over this 3 or 4 more times as well, make sure it's all done properly.
Another key advantage with this is low level noise, so you know, it doesn't disturb the neighbours, it doesn't disturb you if you know you've got issues at home, ill health or something. So it's definitely the wiser option.
Okay, so John's applying our first soft wash solution coat.
Leave this for a good 20 minutes
to work its magic. And this is a soft brush as well we're applying this with.
That might be worthy to mention, this is May the 26th, 2026, and it's the heat wave.
Quite hot, yeah. So after applying our soft wash solution and using the brush to work it in, leaving it for 15-20 minutes, we're now using our scrubber, and you can see it works magic. It's very soft on these particular tiles. You may see a big difference here compared to the first part of the video as well.
Like I say, there's no pressure washer used on these ceramic tiles.
Yep, no pressure washing. Just gentle cleaning. That's a bit we've done already, and we're going to rinse this off in a minute and go over it again if we need to. Sometimes you have to go over things a couple of times. Okay, so it's now all done. Just finished rinsing it down, let it dry naturally in the hot weather, and John's just buffing some of the parts. And yeah, you can see the results are huge compared to what it did look like. Thanks for watching.